Hi friends! So I thought I would show you how Querion uses the Notion onboarding system to onboard new employees. At Querion, we're a fully remote company, so onboarding is not as easy as being in person. So what we did was we created this sort of self-guided onboarding module for employees to do sort of at their own pace during their first week of work at Querion. So upon joining Querion, we actually send them a link to their own personalized onboarding system. So it'll look like this whenever they open it up. And here they basically just do self-guided. So you'll start at the first link. And here it just has sort of a nice little welcome message. We also usually assign onboarding buddies, so this is someone that's going to help them and sort of walk them through their first week and answer any immediate questions they have. Obviously, you can tailor this. I normally am the onboarding buddy at my company, so my photo's already here, but obviously you can change it each time. We also have a people to know section. This actually links to our employee directory and has a little tab for everyone. We also have common acronyms that are used within our company. This is a living document and we update it pretty regularly. Then we also have a You and Querion section where the employees can understand our mission and values. As well as knowing their position and how it ties into Querion. Next, we have our tools and technology section. So we do have our tech stack here. This is some of the tools that we use on a daily basis. It has what the tool is, how to set it up, and best practices while using it. We also have a guide to our company branding and Teams backgrounds that the employees can download for use. Next, we usually have their first steps as onboarding as a new employee. So we have them email us a brief introduction, check out the employee directory, set up their signature, and a couple other steps. Also, if they're being assigned to a client project to start, we usually have information here under your first project. Then we have just sort of general things like a link to our employee handbook, our time off policy, benefits and perks, and then we just sort of have some resources here like self-improving, 12 practices of successful business, and a resource library.